Hey, I'm Alex Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties, and when you hit the stores this Black Friday, I want to encourage all my friends in real estate not to fall into the trap of buying clothes and electronics for your loved ones. Well, except an iPhone 10, an iPhone 10 XS, because it's excessive.
I'm Alex Saenger. I'm an emoji. Isn't it wonderful?
What will they think of next?
What does the fox say?
Call me crazy, but I want you to consider buying them a house instead. To make this easy, Saenger Group will be open this Black Friday at 5 a.m. What? 5 a.m.? I'm not getting up at 5 a.m. 10 a.m. We'll be ready to show you all kinds of goodies like single-family homes, townhouses, condos, even rental properties, and maybe even some land with trees. All reduced at Black Friday prices! And on Christmas, when your 8-year-old has a fixed-rate mortgage in her stocking instead of a toy pony and says, "Daddy, what's this?" you can tell her, "Sweetie, it's a 2-bedroom condo in a booming commercial district I got for you at a steal of a deal for only $190,000 for a 3.5% down payment." And she's going to say, "Wow, golly gee, Dad." And then you're going to say, "Hey, I'm looking out for you, kid." Hope to see you at Saenger Group's Black Friday sale. And remember, if you know anyone moving into or out of the DC metro area, I'm Alex Saenger, and I'm never too busy for your referrals. And for legal purposes, I have been advised to clarify that this is a joke video and I am not actually having a Black Friday sale. But I'm never too busy for your referrals.